Kelsey and her drop-in hosts. We're heading up the gondola right now to check out the 3 inches of powder that we got last night. So stay tuned to see how the mountain's looking.
Yeah!
Yeah, whoa. That like literally pushed me backwards.
Yeah.
So, as you guys can see, visibility is not excellent.
But the snow is really excellent.
But the snow's awesome.
Super soft. Real nice dusting on top of what they groomed last night. More than a dusting. It's like maybe what, like an inch or two?
Yeah.
2 inches on top of what they groomed. So it's really nice and it's coming down. So maybe by the end of the day it'll be a bunch.
Ha ha ha.